In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use an American Express gift card on Uber Eats and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to use your American Express gift card regardless of how much balance you have for Uber Eats orders, what you can do is open the latest version of the app and in here access either your card to proceed to checkout or go over to your account page. I'm gonna demonstrate how this looks for both options, but regardless of which one you pick, you will be able to check if your specific American Express gift card is eligible to be used. You will be able to access your wallet if you go over to your account and tap the option to add a payment method. Now, in here, tap the option to add a credit or debit card, choose the region if necessary, and now you will be able to input the details about the gift card. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, you will have to determine on whether or not you are able to use your specific card. Most cards are going to be accepted just like any other credit or debit card. However, a lot of users have complained about changes regarding the American Express gift cards in the past. It seems like even though they used to work for a lot of online retailers and services like Uber, they stopped working as of this or the middle of last year. So all that you have to do to determine if your specific card can be used is to input it here and proceed to checkout. Once you have all the details about the card, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code set up, plus the zip code of your own home address, you can proceed to checkout to finish making any orders. If it gives you a message that the card is invalid, then unfortunately there's nothing that you can do. I cannot confirm that this is going to work for every single American Express gift card, but this is all you have to do to check. So, the purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to give people proper instructions on what you have to do, and to warn you that if you get an error message telling you that this card cannot be used on Uber Eats, then unfortunately there is no workaround to this. They simply refuse to work if they are not eligible. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.